Good morning investors, what a beautiful day it is here in Manchester. Adam Ross here at Integritas Property Group. Now I'm here at our amazing development, the Lyceum, right here in Manchester. So as mentioned, we've got a fantastic update here for you. We're now towards the back of the Lyceum at a different perspective. It's worth noting we're in a safe area of the site at the moment. You can see the Harris fencing that's directly behind me. As soon as myself or any of my colleagues or any of the staff here step foot on site, they have to have the full PPE, hard hats, hard boots, etc. But where we are now is that we've had the full demolition that has taken place on site here at the Lyceum. You can see there's still some spoil that needs to be removed behind me, but the demolition and the drainage diversion have now taken place. So once the site is clear, that will then allow us to work on the boundaries and the retaining walls. Once those retaining walls are in place, that will allow us to start on the foundations and pouring concrete. So, as you may be aware, we have an amazing team on site here. We are working with our main contractor, Abrey Construction, here at the Lyceum. This is a grade 2 listed building, so we have some very specific focus on the planning and the heritage of the site, which of course is extremely important, not just for us, but the whole of Manchester. So Abrey Construction have successfully completed projects for us in the past. We're really excited to be working with them on this project and moving forward with the build programme at the Lyceum. So we're just stood on Church Street here now, outside the site. Look how amazing this building looks behind me. So we're directly on Church Street. To the left of the building is Mather Street, Mather Road. So the sales in this project are going extremely well. Now there's two main reasons of that. First of all, because of the beautiful building itself, but secondly, down to the location. For anyone that doesn't know where we are in Manchester, we are only a stone's throw away from Trafford Park. Trafford Park houses more than 35,000 employees and obviously the famous Trafford Centre shopping centre. And we're also a stone's throw away from Media City, which is the regeneration area of Manchester, which took place 5 or 6 years ago, and we're only a 10 to 15 minute drive away from the city centre itself. So location wise here at the Lyceum is absolutely fantastic. Here at the Lyceum as well, we expect many visitors to the area week in, week out. Now Manchester, as you may be aware, is home to two of the best football teams in the world. Manchester City currently, who are at the top of their game, and obviously the forever famous Manchester United. We are a very, very short drive away from Old Trafford. Well, that would bring thousands of people to this area week in, week out, which is fantastic for our investors. So that's it from us today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this construction update. As always, we will keep you updated every step of the way. For any more information on this amazing project, please get in touch with us or any of our agent partners. Thank you.